Are you new to gardening and eager to get your hands dirty? Well, you're in the right place. Some common pitfalls can catch beginner gardeners by surprise. Don't worry. Today, we're tackling 7 of the biggest beginner mistakes so you can avoid them and watch your garden thrive. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, ignoring Mother Nature's sunshine meter. We all love sunshine, but plants? Well, it depends on the kind of plant and how much sun it craves. Sticking a shade-loving fern in a scorching hot spot is a recipe for disaster. Before you plant anything, do your research. Check the seed packet or plant label to see how much sun your chosen green buddy needs. Full sun means 6-8 hours a day. Partial sun is around 4-6 hours, and shade lovers get by with less than 4 hours. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Mistake number 2, planting party foul, giving your plants the Space Invaders treatment. We get it. You're excited. Those cute little seedlings look so innocent. But trust me, they grow up fast. Planting your veggies or flowers too close together is a big no-no. They need room to spread their roots, soak up the sun, and breathe. Check the recommended spacing on the plant label and give them enough room to reach their full potential. Mistake number 3, overwatering your plant pals. We all want happy, hydrated plants, but there's a fine line between love and a watery grave. Overwatering is a common mistake, especially for new gardeners. Remember, most plants don't like constantly soggy feet. Stick your finger in the soil if it feels moist down below. Hold off on watering. Let the top inch or 2 of soil dry out before giving them a drink. Mistake number 4, neglecting the power of dirt planting in poor quality soil. Just like us, plants need good nutrition to thrive. If your soil is compacted, rocky, or lacking essential nutrients, it's like trying to build a house on sand. Amending your soil with compost, manure, or other organic matter is key. This will help with drainage, aeration, and provide those yummy nutrients your plants need to flourish. Mistake number 5, planting at the wrong time. Timing is everything, even in the garden. Planting frost-tender veggies outside when there's still a chance of a freeze is a surefire way to see your hard work turn to mush. Before you get planting, check your local frost dates and plant according to the season. Some plants like cool weather, while others prefer the warmth of summer. Do your research and plant when the time is right. Mistake number 6, going all out with chemical warfare. Let's face it, nobody wants pests munching on their precious plant. But before you reach for the harsh chemicals, consider some natural alternatives. Ladybugs love aphids. Neem oil can be a lifesaver against various pests, and even a good blast of water can knock some unwanted visitors off your plants. There are often eco-friendly solutions to pest problems. Mistake number 7, giving up too soon. Last but not least, don't throw in the trowel too early. Gardening is a learning process. You might face setbacks, but don't be discouraged. Learn from your mistakes, seek advice, and keep trying. With patience and dedication, you'll soon have a thriving garden to be proud of.